A Watertown company starting the printing process to help with the shortage of protective gear. Medical professionals say they are running out of the essentials that help keep them safe while treating the sick. The night team's Alex DePrado is live in Watertown to tell us more about what they are doing. Alex?
Adam, the company based here in Watertown is 3D printing swabs and also face shields, and they hope the FDA fast tracks the use of both of them for use on patients very soon. Testing for the coronavirus has been limited because of a lack of kits, but the Watertown company Markforged is trying to change that by 3D printing these swabs.
The nice thing about 3D printing is very fast, right? So they're looking at getting a group of 20 printers and printing 10 to 14,000 swabs a day.
Right now, the company is trying to come up with the right design to mimic the ones being used on patients.
In order to make the swab correct, it has to be flexible enough to kind of go through your nose, but not so stiff that it pokes you.
In days, Markforged says it hopes to have a swab that the FDA approves. The design can then be sent to 3D printers at hospitals and coronavirus test sites around the country. Each swab would cost less than 25 cents to print. The company is also cranking out these shields to protect doctors and nurses working on patients.
They're in testing now. So the first batch was dropped off today.
The first set of shields are actually being tested at some Boston hospitals. If all goes well, they can go from 3D printer to hospital room in about 10 hours. And the company says they hope to have those shields up and running very soon as the FDA approves. They won't say what Boston hospitals are testing out the shields, but they do say they cost less than $5 each to print. Live in Watertown, I'm Alex DePrado, 7 News Night Team.